Calling CQ, CQDX, CQ Delta X-ray. This is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, QRZ. Good morning, dear friend Jody. Nice to meet you on the ground again. This is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001 Jim. You are 5 by 8, Jody. How are you? QSL Jody 11501 returning. Thank you very much for information about the current weather conditions in the Netherlands. The weather here, we have a sunshine, few clouds on the sky, but nothing special. We have not rainy weather. It's a very nice 20 degrees centigrade. We have a high temperature due to the south winds. We have a very, very strong south wind today, and this is the reason that the temperature is very, very high for that season. Okay, Jody, thank you very much for this QSO. Yes, I know that you talked with Mr. Till, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 002 under his new unit number. And I wish you all the best to you and your family, Jody. Of course, you are in my logbook if you need my new beautiful double QSL card. I received it 2 days ago from the printer in Poland, from our official printer in Poland, Cool QSL. Okay, Jody, all the best to you and your family. Have a nice day, and QDX for today, 19 Sugar Delta 115. This is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, your friend Jim.